Yo guys, yes, this is it. Ito na yung pinaghirapan namin for 31 years. Let's go, Street Boys!
Yes, ito, after 31 years, mangyayari na nga ang aming first dance concert dito nga sa Manila. Parang dahil pumapasok sa utak ko na parang totoo na ba to? Ito na ba yung November 8?
Let's go! SB19!
Nowadays, are you okay? Can I see you?
Siyempre, very excited kami dito sa 18. Very first dance concert ng Street Boys. After 31 years, nagkasama-sama sila ulit. It's gonna be a grand celebration and we're all very excited.
Everyone having fun, that is the selling point of the show. One, two, three, Street Boys!
It's a dream come true, hindi lang para sa akin, kundi para sa aming lahat na nandito kami ngayon sa stage na to.
Finally, the day has come. Let's do it!
Nararamdaman ko medyo may halong kaba, saya, in a positive way. Kaya enjoy tayo mamaya and break it life.
Thank you so much for supporting our group since day one, the Street Boys. We are so proud sa ginawa namin and hopefully mag-enjoy kayo sa inyong makikita.
We are the Street Boys!